Alchemical Wizard 21, Cosmic Rays Influence on our Bio Field Physiology. Cosmic rays influence on our biofield physiology and how we can enhance our epigenetic health to compensate for the recent astronomical alignments and photonic energetics. From ultra-high CRs, cosmic rays, to the secondary particles. Highly charged electrons. In astroparticle physics, the secondary particles that come through the ionosphere are called chorus particles. A higher density of energized electron particles, adamantine particles, which acquire the role of free radicals within our biofield physiology. The addition of a fifth-dimensional Merkaba or higher frequency biofield to the atom-Cadman human template now requires a higher energized system to become fully activated and achieve a correct spin at higher than light speed operations. This buildup of additional electron-free radicals within our biofield physiology acts as a capacitor until the required charge is released or absorbed. This is where the beginning of the Kundalini awakening or the starseed activation occurs. Because the biological body can transmute and hold more photonic light energy. This can cause a large pulse of electrical activity to pass through the biological body and discharge excess electron-free radicals. That has happened to me about 4 times so far. Mostly at night while in delta brainwave pattern sleep since 2015. This creates a temporary overload on the myofascial tissue and the myelin sheathing of the body's endocrine and nervous systems while the cell's atomic structures change their electron positions to find other positions on the valence bands, giving off photons in the process. This transmutational process from an electron-charged electrical nervous system to a chromophore/oxychrome-based photonic light system or a more crystalline-based biological body will provide faster speeds and greater variance of communication abilities. This takes place between the consciousness and the individual cells within the biological body as the mitochondria switch from a glucose-based feeding system to the photonic-based energy feeding system. Our mitochondria is utilizing light energy, chromophores, oxychromes, etc., and acting more and more like chloroplast, and less feeding from glucose. Carbon to crystalline, morphogenesis. Holding more light/energy. And this is where we come in by taking care of our avatars, especially now, as the Ascension process unfolds. Part of that is being done now. But as more of our dormant DNA strands come online, the more of this higher frequency or dimensional shifting can take place. Please consider reducing consumption of heavy metals and toxic contaminants and increasing a diet of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and higher vibrational foods that can assist you and ease you into this process. As will all of the holistic health practices like yoga, qigong, meditation, mindfulness, walking and sitting in nature, exercise, structured water, cold water showers, etc. So that our charged biofield physiology can become more capable of sustaining the higher vibrational frequencies of a fifth-dimensional expanded consciousness and be more in alignment with Gaia and the cosmic consciousness. The field of nutri-epigenomics explores how food and epigenetics work together to influence health and well-being. Our diets have also been shown to modify epigenetic tags in significant ways. DNA methylation is a major epigenetic modification involving the addition of a methyl group to the 5' position of cytosine by DNA methyltransferase to form 5-methylcytosine, 5-MC. This epigenetic mark has the power to turn genes on or off and can be inherited through cell division. Foods, vitamins, and supplements list in Alchemical Wizard 18. Plant-based high-frequency foods are highly recommended for this transmutational process, morphogenesis. Please stay hydrated with structured water and get outside in nature away from artificial EMFs, electromagnetic fields. Take lots of linear timeouts. Remember that your avatar absorbs energies. It is made up of 70% water and filled with microorganisms held together by an electromagnetic field, morphogenetic field, biofield, etc., itself. Travis Carper. May 30, 2019. Blog on 3decrees.org.